see they're both being swimming away.
Exactly.
Yeah. Okay. Where is damsel?
Coming in from the right look. The light's catching its wings, and there's a little bit of light.
Yes, there is a tiny bit of light. It's a lot, isn't it?
It is
a lot. Yes.
Bibby.
4 damselflies and 3 dragonflies. I'll give you their names if you want.
Clyde.
If you are somebody who is as fascinated by dragonflies and damselflies as you, you're a little bit then a fan of
Clyde.
Well, yes, and it's really rather handy.
Only you, boy. And on that bombshell. Anyway, thank you ever so much for coming down. Have a nice pie. In fact, take the whole plate, give some to the dogs, they're starving.
You've never suggested. See you later. Thank you very much.
Cheers, Rory.
Bye.
Cheers, bye.
Down in Dorset.
Clyde. Sis. Yeah.
Dip my hydrophone. It's louder than a lion roaring. It's louder than an elephant rumbling. Painfully loud. And it's such a tiny thing. Amazing.
How precious our marine environment is. So it was good news last year that the Marine Bill became a Marine Act. It became law in Parliament. Given that this is such a special place and a nature reserve, you would think that all the creatures that live on the surface would get scattered. But unfortunately, we learn what the no-take zone has meant for the local wildlife. Roger, you brought me a picnic. So these, of course, how has the no-take zone
So hence the orange colour. If they were in the wild, they'd be a much more sort of electric blue. It's really on the line to Carapace just here. And the minimum landing size in this area is 90 millimetres.
Right. So if anyone finds a lobster in a pond and that space there is less than 90 millimetres, they have to put it back.
That's right. That has to go back because it's illegal to land it. And what we found in the no-take zone is that instead of the lobsters in the no-take zone, and the lobsters are larger in the no-take zone as well.
And that's 7 times since 2003, so in 7 years. That's astonishing. I mean, when you started this period, did you have any idea that marine life would be able to make that sort of recovery that quickly?
That's the interesting thing, is how fast of the sea will have the ability to say where they believe they should go.
Let's say that you get a network of conservation zones, and within those, a really good viable network of no-take zones. What's your utopian view, or perhaps what's your practical view? What do you hope will be achieved by this?
Well, if it work, I would expect to see an increase in consumption of seabirds on sort of fishing area, and a general improvement in the quality of our marine environment.
It really is a potential worth getting excited about. British waters used to be among the richest UK. /Springwatch and follow the link.
Let's do it. Don't moan about it. The exquisite song of this little brown bird has inspired musicians and poets for thousands of years.